Kementeri Ketenaga Kerja Kekhia ke Dr. M. AMPAREEN Lingdo kalaong bakajing DONKAM ikinos bandan hapo kejela kat kum ke national standard kalong kumbalai hajar ngut Henry kejela kadan tang kumbas khatsan sepangut kinos basamar steng siliang dang DONKAM ban penbun tak bentagi staff nurse bakeren skila patai khubor hadin kejing elang bagi Dr. Ketenaga Kerja Kekhia ke Dr. AMPAREEN kalaong manakal yang Ketenaga Kerja Kekhia kala DONKAM ban penhia ikipus jong kinos namar kijaka sumar kilanang kiu Kelaituru banakal yang Sarkar Jela kanum apsyo Sarkar Pedeng Bantung kami ke doktor hapo ke Jela hendai kan pet ket kum kujing DONKAM ka kot kikhia.
The national standard says 3,000 something and we are at about 1,500 something. So it's like a 50% of sanctioned posts of staff nurse. Whereas we need to increase those numbers because our health facilities are now increasing. Now we need to look at nursing as well because we cannot wait for a central recruitment board to keep doing everything, otherwise all of these appointments will tend to take a lot more time.
Shushu kelaitu baka Jela mata kadan sispa nya penyongut ki doktor specialist ka baka national standard ka DONKAM kumbalai spa tam. Kalau orang basan pau dan rupungut ki doktor ki dang lei bempentibet ila dia ki specialist boper badak baidai bat kitu ki badang sudap tungkam dang shen ru ki dang lei bempentibet ila dia.
About another, I think 50 plus or 60 plus doctors are already going for these specialized courses. Then the new recruits, even a lot of them at the time of recruitment, at that time only they qualified, they've also gone for those specialization. So many nursing schools around us, but there are not enough jobs. So what do? We need to figure out how to optimally use all of this for the benefit of the citizen. And this is what we need to do. We have to start looking at things more critically because we are now being criticized because we are not able to give these jobs to people. So we have to start looking at these options and we have to think out of the box.